In this video, we will show you how to set up a new PC, install the TRIOS software, and integrate devices together. With TRIOS Pod, you have your entire clinic always at hand and can enjoy its functionality on a Windows PC compatible with our requirements and on any iOS Android device. As the PC's specifications and configuration affects the TRIOS performance, 3Shape will only support TRIOS usage on approved PCs. In addition, all TRIOS pod and chair integration systems should always be delivered fully functional, with the latest official TRIOS software pre-installed from 3Shape or its partners. Please find the list of approved and recommended computers for TRIOS in the latest edition of the TRIOS product catalog. The user experience when using TRIOS to a great extent depends on the processing power of the PC employed. The higher the PC performance, the better the user experience. Set up a new PC to enable fast and accurate scanning with TRIOS. First, go to Windows Update. In the control panel and check for updates. Install all updates labeled as important. To scan with the highest performance, update the drivers of the graphics card. In the toolbar, click Show Hidden Icons, right-click the NVIDIA icon and select Check for Updates. Next, enable high performance for a mobile graphics card. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings and select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. It's important to adjust Windows for the best performance. It may improve scanning performance up to 20 to 30%. Just open Control Panel, click System, and go to Advanced System Settings. Next, click Settings in the Performance field, set Adjust for Best Performance and click Apply. Then, set the Windows Power Plan to High Performance. In the Control Panel, open Power Options and set High Performance. To be sure that the TRIOS user interface is displayed and scaled well, right-click on Desktop and select Screen Resolution. Next, choose 1920 by 1080 and click Apply. After that, click Make Text and Other Items larger or smaller, and then drag the slider to smaller. To make settings come into full effect, reboot the system. Adopting an external monitor may reduce the scanning performance significantly. Please note, distributors may be required to exchange some parts, for example RAM, hard disk, etc., depending on the available configurations of the computer supplier. For Apple computers, Windows needs to be installed, requires boot camp. See instructions on Apple's website. Cooling. When scanning and processing, the computer produces a lot of heat. To sustain maximum performance, make sure to have sufficient cooling, otherwise the CPU will speed down. Laptops may be lifted up from the surface to avoid overheating. Battery operation, not recommended due to performance drop. Before installing TRIOS on your PC, make sure you're connected to the internet. Then insert the USB subscription dongle and USB software installation dongle. Open the USB subscription dongle folder and run the installer. Click Next to continue installation. Then you can choose between full installation and client-only options. After that, click Next. The dialog will ask you to start the installation. Click Install. When it's done, click Finish, and the software will open automatically. Make sure that the TRIOS scanner is properly connected. Now you can start the scanning process. You can mirror the 3Shape software directly on your mobile device. It's recommended to use Splashtop for this feature. You need to download and install it on your computer and then create a Splashtop account if you don't have one. After accepting the terms of service, choose the appropriate installation option and click Finish. Then, in Settings, enable Auto Launch. To create a security code, click the Security tab and type a password. After that, install the Splashtop app on your mobile device. Just go to the Application Store and search for Splashtop 2 Remote Desktop. Now, when you open the app, tap I want to use Splashtop in a closed network. Check Do Not Show Again and tap Continue. If the PC with the 3Shape software doesn't appear, tap 3 dots in the top corner and choose Add Computer. Type the IP address of your PC. After entering the IP address, just tap Add. Now you can see your device ready for streaming. To get started, tap on it and type the security code. You are now remote controlling the computer. With this solution, you can easily use our software on iPad or other tablet PCs. You can mount your tablet PC on a dental chair or elsewhere so you can have a quick and easy overview right next to the patient. With 3Shape solutions, your clinic is always at hand, wherever and whenever you want.